Are you looking to install harnesses or any other aftermarket seatbelt in your Honda Talon? Well, SuperATV's got you covered with a seatbelt override, and today we're going to show you how to get it installed. The first thing we're going to do is come to the driver's side, open up our door, and we're going to come down here to the lower portion of the seat. There's a little handle on the front. You'll grab a hold of it and lift it up and slide your seat out of the way. Then we're going to have this rubber cover underneath our seat here. So what we're going to do is we're going to reach up underneath here and unhook it from the hooks. You'll have them on the sides as well as in the front. Just go ahead and unhook all of them except for the very front ones towards the front of the machine. Then you'll just want to peel this cover back, just like that. Then we'll go right here to this plug. So what we're going to do is take a pair of side cuts and we're just going to cut the zip tie off of the holder here. That way we can get it up here to show you a little bit better. You don't have to do this. Whenever you're doing it, you can just unplug it. But we want to be able to show you exactly what we're working on. So we got this plug right here. If you follow the wiring down from your seatbelt, it'll run right into this plug. So what you'll do is you'll stick your finger in here and you'll pull up on this little tab. As soon as you pull up on it, the plug will separate, just like that. And we'll take our seatbelt override, plug it right into the factory harness, make sure it snaps. It's in there good now. And if you did cut your zip tie, you'll just want to wrap it all back around the harness there, zip tie it back together. If you didn't, all you got to do is reinstall your rubber cover here and then your seat. And there you have it. That's how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV seatbelt override on this Honda Talon 1000. For more information on this seatbelt override or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.